Autoliv is the worldwide leader in automotive safety product. In order to support our growing market in airbag, seatbelt, and active safety, we needed to improve and harmonize our operational and commercial business processes in one integrated system.
ACE is a business transformation program which brings Autoliv to the next level of performance. So it's a business-driven program to harmonize processes, to bring everything to the same master data and to one ERP and one MES system. So in short, one process, one system, one data.
Physical flows are handled by DELMIA Aprizo LES, enabling lean material handling throughout the plant. It starts with inbound logistic flows from truck to warehouse. Scanning enables conformity checks and optimal put-away in the right location.
So the dispatching board is a way for the planner to plan his daily production in a visual way. So it's really like a cockpit where I decide what I want to do, but afterward I'm able constantly to supervise and to react if needed.
Supervisors and plant management can also use it to monitor the production progress status and planned maintenance activities at a single glance. It is now time to execute the replenishment of the line from the warehouse in accordance with production activities. All material movements inside the plant are executed and recorded in ACE, based on scanning using ergonomic steps, ensuring efficient and secured material flow to the production area. The DELMIA Aprizo Logistics Execution System improves batch and end-to-end flow traceability. The rollout of the ACE solution will support Autoliv plant standardization. From this panel, the production operator selects the next order from the E-rail and launches production activities by scanning the production ticket. Component traceability and control is performed in real time.
In parallel of the dispatching board, we have also introduced an e-rail management. In the past, we had a physical rail with cards, Kanban cards, and we have replaced that by an electronic way. So everything that we do on the dispatching board will immediately be mirrored on the line. So if something needs to be rescheduled because we have an urgent case, then it will be mirrored on the line. And for the operator, you have not to manipulate anymore any cards, and everything can be automatic. Everything is integrated. He will launch the order, he will book the order, get the label, he will connect his traceability and so on, only in front of one panel.
The advantage for the quality is that we have a closer follow-up on the traceability data and the batch tracing at the line. A big advantage of the ACE project for this plant is that we have an integrated real-time information flow. The reaction time has been cut short very much, and the data transparency for the whole company is much better than what we have before. The ACE solution brings opportunities to our plant, not just for now, but also for the group itself. We're going to commonize the system between the plants, and communication and data exchange will improve in future.
In the outbound area, the operator takes the picking list prepared by logistics for the next delivery. The barcode on the picking list and on the pallet are scanned. Poka-yoke are integrated to ensure correct relabeling. The shipping labels are printed automatically, collected by the operator and combined with the internal pallet labels, ensuring that the correct parts are shipped to the right customer. When the truck is loaded with the right pallets, the operator closes the truck and confirms the loading, creating a delivery document which is handed over to the truck driver. Delivery papers and advanced shipping notifications for the customers are created automatically in the background.
We have chosen DELMIA Aprizo as a proven automotive MES solution to support lean manufacturing principles and Autoliv production system, to increase quality of our product data for our safety product. We save life. Zero defect is a given in our market.